all the UNP medicine students will take social examination for doctors. Good luck.
Good luck to all the future physicians taking the physician licensure examination. May your hard work, sleepless nights, and sacrifice bear fruit. Trust in the knowledge and skills you built over the years. And remember that the exam is just one step on your journey to becoming the healer you are meant to be. Good luck and break the leg.
Hello to all of you. A pleasant, good, and pleasant day. I have heard that your licensure examination is fast approaching. Do not panic. Meditate and relax. Take one day at a time. So, good luck to all of you.
Okay, to all our medical students taking the physician licensure examination this October 4 to 5 and 11 12. Now, please believe in your preparation, trust in your knowledge, and keep your faith strong. So, utilize your brain cells and keep your synaptic connections fully charged. The whole UNP community is behind you. Go and claim your success. Whatever the outcome, know that we are proud of you. Believe that with your hard work and God's grace, you will emerge as licensed physicians ready to serve with compassion and excellence. Good luck, future doctor.
Sa mga mag-exam, this coming physician's licensure examination, good luck sa inyong lahat. So, dapat, unang-una, do not panic, relax lang. Pag hindi alam ang sagot. Lang naman yan by means of exclusion or probability. Pero if ever na hindi nyo alam ang sagot, move on. Do not dwell too much on a single question para masagot mo yung iba. Okay? Tapos balikan mo na lang kung ano yung hindi mo alam. Again, pag hindi talaga alam, dasal-dasal lang tayo. Okay? So, good luck na naman sa inyo.
My dear medicine bachelor, madam, I'm here to wish you the best in your upcoming medical board exams. And by this time, you're done with your thorough reviews, you're done with your fervent prayers, and you've done your good luck rituals. Hindi na ito time para mag-panic, nervousin, para gutumin at magpuyat pa. So maybe the time for you to have confidence in yourself, to put your trust in the Lord, and have faith that the best thing will come for you. I hope at this time you are already prepared to pass the licensure exams. And next time we see each other, meron ng MD yung mga pangalan nyo and I can now call you colleagues. Preparation is the best key to success. God bless and good luck.
Hello! Kumusta naman kayo? I'm sure you are very nervous for your exam. But rest assured, the College of Medicine of the UNP of Northern Philippines is here to pray